friend texts me.
It's a long time I don't see you. What happened?
No, you don't talk to me.
I get New Year's time.
Now push up, no.
Oh, Uno, everybody I mean, I thought collectively everybody. Nobody try make me look like so I never that chat to your girlfriend man.
Everybody talked to me about since 3 weeks ago. I'm not busy with me talk.
I'm busy. It's not a malice thing if you think that's the
I know why you have me off. Me know why you know why you have me.
Me have you have?
No, I don't want to
Come.
Tomorrow, no, what time I'm going to town tomorrow. Sorry. Have you done, man?
No, so I like your hairstyle though. So, we are do the video and we are do the video good. Now, for the first time in your life, you are going to behave your damn self. So, Shantoy, give me a video.
Interview.
No, we just a hang out. No, we just a hang out. We just a hang out.
I'm thinking interview and I use no big word palm. You want to ask something?
Yeah, I know I like you come here and go and like say you don't have no sense in all them kind of stuff.
I don't have no sense, pa. Then me not got no sense.
Yeah, no.
Me not got no sense then when you ask me question and me can answer. That's why I make you know for now. Give me no big word. You don't know.
Go hug me up. Hug me up.
No, I'm frozen.
You say I'm frozen? Just tell me say you don't want to hug me up. It's alright. I'm good.
I know say Alice too.
But before I ask you where you are going, because a long time I don't see you. I know I see you on pink wall.
You see me on pink wall?
Somebody tag me something and I go over there go look and when me look me see. Sir, I'm in a snake. Where is on pink wall? What going?
I said my friend. My friend said put me over there.
Look here now, Shantoy, you're going to get shy. And you're doing ugly, so you look fine.
I'm not ugly now, come here though.
Okay.
I go to pink one, I say I'm in my bed. We can't go on phone right now and show you. Somebody text me for one and say, be clad friend. Pink one setting. No, I go on. So we wake up at 5 now. They know them stickers, them no sense and I laugh. I don't know. I'm wake up good now. You know, if I wake up, I don't wake up. I wake up good now. I'm going to go because when I wake up, I just step on my phone. I go to boom so I look over there. No good. I see on pink one. I see how much thousands I've seen already. I say, no, sir. It's true. If I'm pink one, I go on myself.
I pick up yourself. You look nice and like you. They look that night. They're still like, you know, fly. Tell me about the hairstyle, like a bit of things are going for you. Can't see about the place and things.
People can't fix
it. So now me and you talk. Jesus.
I talk with you. You don't want people looking see him every day.
No, Bieber. No, Bieber. I'm just saying. Alright, your hair look nice. That better?
Thank you.
I really like your hair. Your hair look nice. That is what I'm trying to say. But you know how you communicate already. You know, big things are going for your hair, do all of these things. So feel we not catch you up. I not say you don't move from when or
whatever. Not call me.
Bieber.
You know,
big things are going for your hair, do all of these things. So feel we not catch you up. I not say you don't move from when or
not call me.
You know what I mean? Like, you keep on and say uno. You keep on and say uno.
Come on, picture. Let me see.
Tell what going on with you. What has been going on with you? You see how you're not even tell about your juice thing. You're not even talking about your juice thing where you're going.
You give me a sponsor? No.
I don't have no money for sponsor you. I don't have no money for
all the time I like.
I don't have no money for sponsor you, baby. I'm a broke guy. So much?
I want blender, maybe I beg you buy me. But I beg them not going to use them against me. Not only you.
Not uno you.
Come back to what me say when I talk up to the video.
So now that me ask you. Yo, we have to clear this up, you know. I feel like you're pre me, you know.
Yeah, pre for what?
Stop. But you talk about uno and all them kind of stuff. They know say I'm a general already. It's just that. I'm not the person to casual link ups like that. You see me? Talk your man. Come, you don't want to talk about that. Tell about yourself. What have you been up to? Where are you going with friend?
Oh, people, I'm there. Let me see what I want. Let me see them on the internet all over. I just want to come up with new show, but there's a but. Soon tell me but. Let me feel later on. But hear me, I say, but things are going on. I mean, body don't go down. So, nothing I go out with me, no me at work. You know, I have a multitask. You can't just do one thing. You know, so me do my work. Which him knows I do my work plus me try if it up in my little own thing. Even though to also so. And them some them me I go on with and no matter what my hairstyle like. You see, me down here every day and my ear catch up. And them see and say, boy, you gonna fix yourself. Now my ear do. Then say something because I'm going for me save. Right now today. It do so nice now so they gonna do and look funny.
Alright, here we go. Tell the people them what you want. Tell them what you want.
What do you mean by?
Because you know one of the most hurtful things is when actually like somebody.
You like me?
Yes, you don't know that.
How like me?
Like you're my brethren.
Like me if you deal with me?
My brethren. My brethren.
Yeah, brethren, come no man.
Our friend. Like one friend.
Mm.
We asked about David, like you want nobody? My blouse ask.
Don't say that. I see somebody could decent out there.
I'm not stupid. You're not looking for anyone. So, stop with the nonsense. Shut up. Come, tell about the juice thing now. Tell about Bieber's juice.
Tell everyone go on Instagram, go follow it.
Oh, so that's not your thing. That's not how your vibes when you have that, so come.
All of them feel this guy just sitting.
But, you want somebody?
No, I'm just saying.
You're not single either, Bieber, so.
You know about me, when last me sit down and
the last time I tried to tell me you have one. Let me feel disbelieve it.
That was so long ago.
Relationship, me I tell you to blouse that skirt. Come, I the juice stick more here, but what kind of juice I make?
Oh, me I do. Oh! Yes, I put like a punch in it, like if I say punch.
Yeah, put like a punch in it.
I'm gonna do natural juices, milkshake, green juice to detox your body. You name it, those juices, you know, on the spot, blended. Yeah.
I can't run that?
No.
Okay.
So guys, just go over Instagram and follow me at Bieber's Juices. I saw, remember, like I used to not to understand, boy. Look.
So tell me something about the juice. What kind of juice? Like banana, oats and something?
Yeah, banana, oats, fruit smoothies, as me tell you, milkshake, green juices like, you know, you blend cucumber, celery, parsley and it because in there, you know, if you detox your body or, you know, weight loss business and it because on the protein shake.
We get the gist. I know some whole heap of place to them something there. Why must come a year store and not somebody else's store?
Why have you come to my store?
Yeah, why must come buy your juice?
The good things them. I don't know, riff-raff, you know. I give people them money's worth. Moreover, I don't use ice in my juices unless they ask me to put ice in their juice. Because you see what me do now, I make sure so I freeze my fruits them. So me put them in the blender now, like put them in the blender. The ice already in that. I mean, some of the rubber people them and put no ice in it and then make it water down like a gravy. Them buzzy.
I'm saying.
Let me see.
God no.
Me no miss a do.
Me no say no miss. Me no say.
Let me show them my one close, like top close.
Oh, me saying a Bieber look nice all today.
But today I don't see them look nice.
But me no. One bag of pressure. Well, let's say I show something on the phone about juice.
Fine, wait.
May I come actually in a blend up nothing yet and that's why I'm not coming to your store yet.
Milkshake. You know, milkshake. And then we could top things there.
Come see milkshake.
Wait, let me find out if it's somewhat on my face. Just like show up always, man.
She knows you look good, you know. Watch him. Smile for them.
Okay.
Smile.
Yeah, it's different. Fine, look like
Can you want a hug?
no.
Alright, that's the finished product?
Yes, this is a milkshake with whipped cream with this is a cookie and cream Oreo milkshake if you say I don't know cookie and cream. See there again. Come.
So how much for that?
Come, look at me.
Much.
Give them good things them just run down here right on the plaza beside bus park.
How much for that?
Inside kiddies closet. Or for this juice, so we have 12. I go have 12-ounce cup and 16-ounce cup for this 12-ounce cup. It will be 500 and with extra whipped cream and what is something name the black biscuit there again Oreo. You know, it depends on the amount of like 100 or 150 go up. Cause you know them young girl them love a whipped cream thing and they look a fussy excitement thing. You there right, yes, so just look out for me. I'm coming soon. I don't want to like the different to do.
We have to do a grand opening. You want? Alright, tell me why you not like. What problem you have with me?
Just have me. Me not have me.
Come hug me up.
Nope.
Hug me up. Come, hug me up. Come. I like she tell. She not vex with me. Face my put on. No, so I miss her. It's just that you are.
Okra punch them same way, you know. Back of things go on in your belly. Yeah. Surprise in the belly. But make sure you say. Nah, I mean, hear me I say. Juice about about.
Yeah, what go on? We done the juice business and now. We know where you're there, we know how much a juice then cost. Guess we not call her for movies. She keep on and say we and uno when where movies and actors and actresses are concerned in the movie role. If I not on my channel, I know my business and me not control that the part of the people. So anytime I don't hear she say uno, I don't know where she go on it, but differently. So we get both.
Let me show them the logo.
Get the movies thing, we know she said up on pink oil hairstyle. Or see her logo for her Bieber's juice here. So you can go up on Instagram and follow her.
I can follow me on Instagram, otherwise at Shadyan. And that's me not even remember my name.
Yo, if we a pink oil show you up, you know, everybody's supposed to get some followers.
I get a lot of followers.
Of course. Of course.
But they just say, I said this other day, you know. I said this other day, I go up on Instagram.
I see you promote Richard Brown right away.
Followers for the day within the night to the morning.
So no, what we are gonna do? Because me personally, I'm not like edit for free. But after a long time, I'm doing a video with a juice something. Did I get the juice together?
Yeah, when it feel because I told them my father come there. Me go get the showcase or something. So I told them my father come look for it. To build up a counter. Me have majority of me have most of everything. So my father go buy up a pipe. Me buy a 10 packet of me. A pipe and a sitting. You know just no catch too.
No star.
So by about next week hopefully.
Next week?
Alright. Me have my fridge. Me not go collect a fridge though. Me buy it but he did it. But me I go look if you don't get tomorrow now. Come on, I sell it back. About 3 weeks now, me pay 3 weeks now, me done pay off and have it down there.
I certain somebody on the internet will see and link you up on Instagram and say, I'm buy the fridge for you, I'm buy the everything for you. Actually, I don't have no money, I broke me, I just didn't realize.
Just have some more little stuff.
I realize that's why I don't have no money.
Little more things I have to buy. I'm not going to tell no lie people. I have majority, but I have little more things left. I'm not going to tell them like, say, boy, I'm not have it. There's some people never to buy.
But you couldn't tell me, see, I have it after you look so damn in hot pan, pink oil, my friend.
You're going to pink oil pay me.
Me say, how you, none of them put on your clothes need and how you did look. You want to go back on the video?
I want to buy people clothes.
Are you fi say it on me? Are you fi say it?
If you clothes I don't want to lend me, you can't lend me. Let me show you what you did.
May I cut you now?
No.
We hang out with
no, let me show them, man. They look
come.
Wait. Hey, when me see the picture, I'm just going to say, me a God made, not handmade. No, man, they start looking.
Listen to me, you can't have a hairstyle and blood clot, bro.
Okay.
Hairstyle. Just hairstyle, borrow clothes.
Now.
When I come back, we'll get to do it. I have to watch just hairstyle and borrow clothes. What me I look for?
So look nice, bro.
I don't think you want $1,000 from her. You can't never see this woman and want $1,000 from her.
You want to give me $1,000?
No, I feel like I something else. Would I ask for something else if I did me?
No, man.
If I did me, that's just what I
see, if you ask her for something else, she go want money what we don't have.
No, I don't know about that. I just say.
Put it on. Call up when we did your party.
Okay, you see it?
When up on the head top?
No pan pink wall, you catch pan pink wall, no see pan pink wall.
I lie. Some not see bomba. Turn up on
no, we not tear off the pants, man. Master, this is not tear off the pants. Come now, no clothes about.
People, woman like this can't tell me so damn. Look at this man talk about in business and top in a conversation.
Oh my God, make you.
You want to see every shoot? Come, make everybody see.
No, you're mad. Are you mad?
Turn on yourself.
You're mad.
You understand?
That means I'm catching you, huh? Well, in a video.
Nice massage. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That move quick though. You hear that?
Yo, you have to make your money and save it for the kids, them, the future. You
You know what I
understand?
mean?
You have to save
Pity
the money
them.
for the people, them. You
I
understand?
mean, cause I think go on later on and then get
Yeah, man, I bag of things on, boy. So, you're my boss. Here are 2 words on my card. You know what I'm going to need look nice.
You two words.
Yeah, man, here are 2
That's
words.
my-
and big, you honey, you know.
Yeah, let's go.
She don't give up.
Ooh. Mm-hmm. See, you get all man right away.
Maybe they want forever, man. Baba dear, man. Let's Baba dear, man. Give me money. Give me one drumstick.
You gotta look good. Can I understand Sir Lawrence broke, paparazzi broke. No money. That's why I don't have no girlfriend. Man, no one broke man.
Broke boys don't deserve a kitty. I know that's right. Big up Cardi B. Watch this, I wanna come out.
That's why me not
Watch
get
him.
no vagina
Watch him.
problem.
Watch him. I come to you now. Me not live now. You can't put me up.
You done export now? You not done yet? You move it. Alright, so movie come up. So I me just left down there go and export and thing.
Where's Shadi?
I don't know, you have his number.
No, I don't anymore.
How come? You don't have my number either anymore.
But this man you text me. After all.
Good. Me love how you chat.
Yeah, because
When me text you?
this morning.
Okay.
Because it's been a while and the last time when he texting the one and me they text you. And they say hey. And I say, it's the end when me say you use back for me. Say me just a pass from just a hear boy, me remember.
Alright people, that has been Biba Shantoy Wilson. Big up yourself and mama. I know why you're hot for me so to blouse and skirt.
Whoa, I bet. I bet.
Tell them bye bye and cover a lens screen there, please.
Bye guys. Have a wonderful day.
Alright, she don't have no behavior. A little more.